Hey there, it is E Squared Photography. I'm Emily. Erin is not here with us today, but I'm going to talk all about how we get that smoky look behind our subject in our moody sports pictures. And don't forget to stick around all the way until the end because I have something special just for you. Our goal by the end of this video is to have you understanding how we're getting that smoky look so you can get that same smoky look as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can see future videos that we come out with similar to this one. Okay, so how do we get this smoky colored smoke look in the back of our sports photos that we've been doing? So we get this a few different ways. There's a few different things that you can do to get this particular look like you see here with the green smoke behind the softball catcher. So one way we do this is through atmosphere aerosol spray or a fog machine. And in addition to that, we're using something called a deep focus reflector. So now if that all seems like, okay, what is that? What do you mean? We have in the description below a link to all of our gear that you can get. It's a free download that you can get with all of the different pieces of equipment that we use. That includes the atmosphere aerosol that we spray, and we're spraying that between the light behind the subject and the subject. We spray that atmosphere aerosol, or we get the fog machine going in between that. And then, so we have a main light that's shining on the subject, and then behind the subject, we place a deep focus reflector, which is also linked below, but a deep focus reflector, which then is going to have a gel taped to it. And then we're gonna spray that atmosphere aerosol to get that smoky look. Now, another cheaper way you can get that same kind of vibe is by using a spray bottle of water and a deep focus reflector. So the same type of thing. So you have your main light shining on your subject, and then you have a light behind your subject with that deep focus reflector on it and some sort of colored gel. And then you're spraying water with a spray gel, or you're splashing water like you see in this swim picture here onto your subject. So hopefully you're kind of understanding the color of the smoke comes from the gel that's attached to the light behind the subject. So if you don't have any sort of color or gel attached to that light, and we attach it right to our reflector, if you don't have anything attached, it's just going to be a smoky look, which is fine as well. We really like to that pop of color that those gels give. All of this stuff is linked for you in the description below. I'm gonna now take you a little bit behind the scenes, showing you how this all works in a little clip that we have for you. So let's jump into that. Here we are gonna show you the difference between using atmosphere aerosol, using, you wanna show that up close, using just water from a spray bottle, and then we cannot, in this gym, we're not allowed to use the fog machine, but we will show you a picture of what the fog looks like. The fog looks very, very similar to the atmosphere aerosol. The only difference that we have found, sometimes it gives more of a dramatic look. You see more of it than the spray, but the spray is really handy and we use that a lot. So as you can see, the back far light there, in between where we're standing right now, if you look back, there is a reflector that Erin's talking about that we have taped the colored gel to, and that's kind of how we're achieving this look. So I'm gonna take a test shot of Erin with the water, and then I will do it with the fog, just so you can see the difference between the aerosol and the water. And then we'll show you a picture of the fog as well.
They're both doing the same thing. They're helping disperse the light a little bit, so.
Sorry, do that again. Okay, and it's not like the greatest because we need somebody else really doing it, but that worked fine. So this is an unedited picture of Erin, and obviously there's not a ton of the spray droplets behind her. We needed somebody else to do it. We needed more of it, whatever, but just to show you what it's going to kind of look like. And then the picture on the right is one where we actually used spray, and we also splashed water onto her to give a cool effect too. Now we're gonna do it with the spray, which we've already showed you, but we'll show you again. So here we go with the spray. There we go. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful in understanding kind of how it all works and what things look like and how we use them. And if you want more information about all of the equipment we have, again, like I said, the description below has a free download of all of the equipment we use, how we use it, and links to everything. So make sure to check that out. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so we can make more videos just like this one. And we will see you next time.